Exercise 1.2.14 Marking out lines, gripping suitably in vise jaw, hacksawing to given dimensions. Objectives: mark out lines using Jenny caliper. Hold the job in bench vise. Cut along marked lines.
Job sequence. Check the size of the given MS sheet as per drawing. Apply copper sulfate or chalk powder solution and allow it to dry. Keep the plate or flat on the workbench and mark points A, B, C, D, E and F and A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1 as per dimensions given on the job drawing. Draw the 6 lines joining the points A and A1, B and B1, etc. up to F and F1. Check the marked lines for the correctness and parallelism visually. Using a dot punch and a hammer, make punch marks on all the lines with a pitch of 4 mm. Skill sequence. The marking media, copper sulfate or chalk powder solution is applied on the job surface and dried so that the lines scribed on it will be clearly visible. Apply the marking media uniformly with a 15 mm painting brush. Using steel rule and scriber point, mark points A, B, C, D, E and F from the 150 mm long edge of job at 10, 25, 40, 55, 70 and 85 mm distances. Similarly, mark points A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1. The edge of the steel rule may have been damaged. To avoid wrong measurement, coincide or set the first or second centimeter graduation mark of the steel rule against the 150 mm long edge of the job for taking measurements and marking of points A to F and A1 to F1. Ensure that there is no parallax error, observation error while using the scale to mark the points A to F and A1 to F1. Using the steel rule and scriber, draw the lines AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, EE1 and FF1. Incline the scriber in the direction of stroke and draw towards U. Using the dot punch and the hammer, punch small dots on the 6 lines. While hammering, hold at the extreme end of the handle. Maintain a pitch of 4 mm approximately between the dots. Pitch is the distance between 2 consecutive dots. Check whether the lines are straight and parallel using steel rule and the punch marks are clear and visible.